Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 1. First, ensure you have the game installed, whether from a digital platform like Steam or an original disc. Check your computer's specifications to confirm it meets the minimum requirements for optimal performance. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the Options menu to customize your video and audio settings. Take a moment to review the default keyboard and mouse controls, which are typically intuitive for first-person shooters, before beginning your adventure. As you progress, focus on mastering core gameplay mechanics. Movement is crucial for navigating the Black Mesa Research Facility, often involving platforming and simple environmental puzzles. Pay close attention to your health and the HEV suit's power, as these are vital for survival against hostile forces. Engage in combat by aiming precisely and utilizing the game's wide array of weapons, from the iconic crowbar to powerful firearms, each with distinct advantages in different situations. To truly excel, adopt some advanced strategies. Resource management is key. Always conserve your ammunition and health packs, as supplies can be scarce, especially on higher difficulty settings. Take your time to explore every area, as hidden stashes often contain valuable items. Utilize the quick save and quick load functions frequently to experiment with different approaches to difficult encounters without significant setbacks. Experiment with your weapon loadout to find the most effective tools for each unique enemy and scenario. Once you complete the main story, there are many ways to enhance your Half-Life experience. Explore the official expansions, such as Opposing Force and Blue Shift, which offer new perspectives and storylines. The vibrant community has also created countless modifications, providing fresh gameplay and narratives. Don't hesitate to adjust the difficulty settings to find a challenge that perfectly suits your skill level. Replaying the game can also reveal subtle details and secrets you might have missed on your first playthrough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.